ice cream machine is down. No blizzards. What are you gonna do?
Be pissed.
All right. Well, it's been another week. We have been traveling all week, haven't we, Bryce?
We have. Driving after work every day, so.
And now we're in Salt Lake City. We've actually been here before once, but we never made it to the Great Salt Lake that time.
Now we're here.
So tell us a fact you know about the Great Salt Lake.
The largest living organism in it is sea monkeys, which are like...
They're also called brine shrimp. You might have had them as a pet growing up.
that big.
They're real tiny. What else do you got, Bryce, for Great Salt Lake facts?
It supplies, I believe, 14% of the world's magnesium.
Yeah, because they mine resources out of the lake.
Potassium, magnesium, and salt.
In terms of saltiest body of waters, not in terms of saltiest husbands, you'd be number one on that list. But in terms of saltiest bodies of water, where does this lake fall? Number 8. Sure if this is normal, but like it smells really bad.
Terrible. It's like,
I've never heard anyone say, wow, the Great Salt Lake smells really bad, so I'm not sure if we caught it on an off day or if this is
like
normal.
there's a big factor right there, but also that's not pumping out like any smoke or like anything. It just stinks terribly.
So we're gonna leave. Good morning, Bryce.
Good morning, world.
We are back
At your boy's canyon.
Bryce's Canyon. And we're actually gonna check it out this time. We stopped here on our way back from the Grand Canyon last year, but we were way too tired because the rim to rim really wore us out. But today we're feeling refreshed.
We're doing a 5-mile hike, the Navajo and Peekaboo Trail.
Woohoo! Pretty sure Bryce is lost already, but he's going on his own adventure.
I think it's that way.
Just gotta check this out too. These hoodoos are beautiful, don't you think? Now into the Peekaboo portion of the Navajo and Peekaboo loops. So Bryce, practice. Good job. We're going to the Peekaboo. We're almost there. I think it's gonna be really cool, don't you?
Yeah.
This is the wall of windows.
I don't see him.
Right there.
Check him out. Boop. Boop.
really making our way up now. Bryce really has to go to the bathroom, so he's running up these switchbacks pretty fast. It's an urgent situation. Just got why they call this Wall Street. It's because it's a street on a wall. Wall Street. Haha. I see what you did there.
Return from the bathroom. Good job. Did you make it?
Barely. Well, we're enjoying the sunset at Bryce Canyon.
Sunset Point?
This is kind of Sunset Point, but kind of not really, right?
That's what it's called. But we thought the sun was going to set in front of us. Turns out it sets
It's
behind.
literally directly behind us, so we're looking the exact opposite way, but it's still pretty sick.
Yeah, it's so pretty. I feel
Look at
like
that.
it's kind of cool. The clouds and everything.
Well, that's a wrap on Bryce Canyon. Bryce is not allowed to go here anymore because as we're walking back to the car, everyone's just like, oh my god, Bryce is so amazing.
It's
Bryce
indescribable.
Is so
I'm like, I know.
Bryce
Yep,
is
I
completely
am.
indescribable. I'm like, alright, you're gonna get a big head if we keep sticking around here. So that's a wrap on Bryce, but I'm really glad that we got to check it out.
Me too. Pretty sick.